Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to lesson 4.5, Estimate Quotients Using Compatible Numbers. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's lesson objective is I can use compatible numbers to estimate quotients. Please pause again to write the lesson objective in your notebook. Today's lesson also has a vocabulary word. The vocabulary word is compatible number. A compatible number is a nearby number that is easy to compute mentally. For example, 528 divided by 7 does not compute easily. But if I round 528 to 490, 49 is easily divisible by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 70. That gives me a good estimate, but that's a low estimate. So I also want a high estimate. I'm going to round 528 up to 560 because 56 is divisible by 7. 56 divided by 7 is 80. So I know my answer is somewhere between 70 and 80. Please pause to write the vocabulary and example in your notebook. Let's read our Unlock the Problem. It says, a horse's heart beats 132 times in 3 minutes. About how much does it beat in 1 minute? We're going to use compatible numbers to solve this problem. It says, will a horse's heart beat more or fewer than in 132 times in 1 minute? Well, if it beats 132 times in 3 minutes, then we know it's going to be fewer because we're going to divide by 3. And the operation that we're going to do to solve this problem is division. Okay. When we divide, one way to do it is use compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are numbers that are easy to compute mentally. That means we use our basic facts. So, to divide 132 by 3, we want to look for a basic fact that is close to 132. So we have 12 divided by 3 is a basic fact. 12 divided by 3 is easy because 3 goes into 12 4 times. But 12 is not close to 132. But if we add a 0 on the end, 120 is much closer, and 120 is easily divisible by 3. 120 is made up of 12 tens, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So then 12 tens divided by 3 is 4 tens. So my answer is 40, 4 groups of 10. Well, that gives me one basic fact, but now I can also use a basic fact of 15 divided by 3. And I pick 15 because 15 is also a basic fact and it's divisible by 3. So 150 divided by 3, 3 goes into 15 5 times. So we know that it's going to be somewhere between 30 and 40. So a horse's heart beats about 40 times in 1 minute. When we use compatible numbers, we want to find two numbers that our quotient is between. That helps us know whether our answer is going to be higher or lower than our estimate. So, our first step is we're going to divide this time by 1,382, that's a big number, by 5. So, since 1,382 is such a big number, we're going to round it first off to 1,000 because 10 divided by 5 is a basic fact. And 1,000 divides easily by 5. 1,000 is much easier than 1,382. So let's go across to our first step. 1,000 is made up of 10 tens. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And it's 2 hundreds because I have 10 hundreds. So 2 groups of 100 is 200. So it's about 200. All right, now let's do a second number to see what our high estimate would be. This time we're going to pick 1,500 because 1,500, the basic fact of 15, is also easily divisible by 3. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So we say there are 15 hundreds divided by 5 gives me 3 groups of 100, or 300. So now we know our answer is somewhere between 200 and 300. And although that is a very large gap, it still is helpful for us to rein in our division answer. We will stop here and continue on tomorrow in class with the share and show section. You're almost finished. When you're sure you understand this lesson, go back to your teacher's website and complete the exit slip. See you tomorrow.